Hi, Nana. Hi, JJ. Hi, babies with funny shampoo hair. Oh, Shay Shay. Shaylee, are you okay? Oh, bubbles in the face. Oh. Oh. That's no good. Here, rinse your hands off. There. Is that better? Shaylee. Shaylee. Hi, Nana. Hi. You got a ducky? Shay. Shay. Hi, Nana. Shay. I can't take your picture if you're looking the other way.